Hi, I'm Adam and I'm here to talk to you about the Geberit pipe scraper, which is used to prepare HDPE pipes and fittings for electrofusion welding in a fast and efficient manner. Pipe scrapers are a faster and more efficient way to prepare HDPE pipes when compared to traditional methods. It's also perfect for pipes that are already installed and in hard to reach places. The pipe scraper is available in various sizes to suit a wide range of pipe diameters. It is available individually or as a complete set with a carry case. The complete set includes pipe scrapers in 56, 63, 75, 90 and 110mm, carry case, spare blade, set of sliding segments, spare button with spring, spare driver shaft, grease pen and instruction manual. Individual pipe scrapers come in a cardboard box with instruction manual. We recommend you read the user manual prior to use and ensure the correct safety practices are followed. Make sure there is no debris stuck in the pipe scraper and check the pipe is clean and dry. Insert the pipe scraper into a cordless driver drill and tighten the chuck by hand. Make sure the pipe scraper is fully retracted before inserting it into the pipe by pressing the blue button. Insert the pipe scraper over the pipe to full depth. Only one pass over the pipe is required. The pipe scraper will push itself clear of the pipe when completed. Always reset the pipe scraper before starting the next weld. The Geberit pipe scraper is a fast and efficient tool, saving time on the job site.
You pick up a Skil Secure Grip wrench, a 4-piece set that replaces 27 box, standard, and metric wrenches. Now you can grip and open stripped bolts, break open rusted nuts, and loosen old painted bolts with the Secure Grip. They're stripped and nothing is getting them off, except for the Skil Secure Grip. Watch as it loosens them with no trouble at all. And that's why they call it the last chance wrench. You could walk around with a toolbox full of wrenches, sockets, and pliers, but they still can't do what one Skil Secure Grip can do. Skil, innovation at work.
I'm Jared Deenda, and we are here at Snap-on Tools World Headquarters here in Kenosha, Wisconsin. I'm with Jason Fry. Pliers, something that every technician needs, but very capable technicians need the next evolution of capable tools.
Our pliers are all cold forged, machined in Milwaukee, start to finish. You know, we're very proud of the product we make, but as you mentioned, we always need to push the product forward. We've talked a lot in the past about our vector edge cutters, and we used to have a power edge jaw geometry, and we moved that forward. We changed it with better machining and better forming, and now we have the vector edge, and it allows you to make powerful cuts on any material anywhere along the blade. But then we move into our needle nose, and what used to be straight serrations, we move forward with cross-cut diamond serrations, which we call Talon Grip. It offers up to 57% more pulling power. Moving into our slip joint, which also employs the Talon Grip, we have this third position in the slip joint. So you've got standard position, you can get a little wider for that in-between position, or you can go all the way open. Wow. But that third position is patented. But it doesn't stop there. You know, there's other pliers in the category other than the core products. We've got our snap ring pliers. Now this is our traditional series, and that is our convertible snap rings. It's a screw system. So to get the two halves apart, go ahead and undo that screw, and then you can change the position. Yeah. And while you're doing that, I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna grab this is our new series, our quick release. Like our ratchets, just a push button.
Wow, you're already done.
I'm already done, internal to external in under a second.
This is just such a fantastic evolution of what Snap-on Tools is all about. Yeah. And of course, for more information, be sure to talk to your Snap-on franchisee.
Kahler 1663 is the new Ritmo clamp aligner chosen by professionals. Multifunctional and compact, it allows you to work correctly, even in narrow spaces. Kahler is quick and easy, ready to work in line at 45 degrees or 90 degrees in a few seconds. The aligner is supplied with two types of clamps to be configured according to use: thick clamps and thin clamps. The thick clamps offer a better grip on a larger surface for perfect alignment. The thin clamps are recommended for alignment at 45 degrees and 90 degrees, or to make Kahler even more compact on site. Kahler is a smart tool. A few simple steps are enough to change the range of work. Supplied with a carrying bag and available in metric, CTS and IPS inch versions.
Gentlemen, start your engines. Introducing the Mac Tools MPF 990501 High Performance Half-Inch Drive Air Impact Wrench, one of the new 6-tool line of air impact wrenches by Mac Tools. With 1,400 foot-pounds of breakaway torque at 4.8 pounds and only 6.4 inches long, the MPF 990501 delivers high-performance power with a compact magnesium housing for lightweight durability. Our 4 high-performance tools come with lighting, power, and short length. We also have 2 midline air impact wrenches that come in the family that offer low weight and short length. Removable and rechargeable LED light provides workplace illumination, lighting your way in the hardest to reach applications. The proprietary forged anvils provide for long anvil life, while the patented innovative valve design makes changing speeds a breeze, and the variable speed trigger gives you the ability to dial in your control. Mac